Good afternoon. My name is Christina Simpson, and I have about 15 classes done in my program. They're not all from Brandman. I started at Pepperdine, and I came up here, and I actually took a little bit of a break. I've been on a 4-year break. I had my daughter, and I honestly didn't know if I was going to come back. But speaking with my husband, we decided that we should just go ahead and finish. It's something I've always wanted to do and pursue and have had a passion for. So he's been very supportive. And so now I'm back to finish. I feel a little rusty. It's been a while, so hopefully I can get back in the swing of things. I hope to graduate in the summer of 2020. If everything stays on track, that's when I will graduate, keeping my fingers crossed. And what would I like to do with my degree? I know it might change depending on my passions and where I probably will do my practicum at. However, I've just always kind of had a heart for working with people with eating disorders. That's kind of been where my heart has been. So I think I will stay on that track, and then eventually I'd like to have my own practice. I think that would be my end goal. So yeah, that's where I'd like to be. As far as what I want to get out of this course, to me, I think just being more open-minded, more culturally aware. Excuse my voice. I'm just getting over bronchitis, so I apologize. Um, I have been in Orange County most of my life, and I didn't realize it till now, but it was kind of a bubble. And now moving up here, and I live in Santa Maria, it's really opened my eyes that I need to be more culturally aware, and I need a better background and understanding of other races, other races and other religions and just others in general. I think I've just kind of always been in a box. And so I'm looking forward to uncovering that and seeing how I can help my future clients. I know that not everyone is the same, and you can't treat everyone the same, and you won't be able to do therapy on everyone as they're the same person. So I just want to, I guess, open up my eyes more and see how I can help my future clients more. I look forward to your class, and I look forward to learning more and just becoming more open. Thank you.